Whatever you build, repair, or renovate, Simpson-Strong-Tie has the fastening solutions you need. Our Strong Drive structural fasteners are load-rated, tested, and tough for framing and other heavy-duty jobs. Their low-torque design makes them fast and easy to install. Use Quik Drive premium fasteners to build decks, pergolas, fences, and other backyard projects for outdoor living. And for repetitive fastening on decks, subfloors, and roofing, save time and effort with our Quik Drive auto-feed screw-driving tools and collated fasteners. Quik Drive tools are ergonomically designed for easy stand-up operation. The leading fastening brands have one strength in common. They're all made by Simpson-Strong-Tie. Look for Strong Drive, Quik Drive, and Quik Drive at your local building supply center. Find out more at strongtie.com/fastening systems.